So John Lindo, this is what we did in our intermediate class. We did a triple rhythm 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We did a sugar push with the followers pulsing on the 3. Leaders, your straightening arm on count 1. 1, 2 compression, 3 and 4. I then have the followers check to the side. Leaders are doing a double cross, 5 and 6. For the leaders, we did a whip. 1 together for 2. You're going to bring your left hand by your pocket. Don't bring it out. Bring your right hand behind you as you do your 3 and, 3 and. Count 4 leaders when you step back with your left foot. You're going to use your left hand to slice the follower's hand away from you for count 4. That makes them step forward. We did a nice, easy outside turn. Leaders are stepping down onto the right foot, lifting the right arm for 5, 6. 5, 6. And we both anchored 7 and 8. For the followers, we had you do a little bit of a spiral. You did on 1, 2, 3, and 4. You stepped small 5. You pivoted around to go and stepped out for 6, and then finished 7 and 8. And then if you chose to hold the 6, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. You're going to hold the 6 with a little bit of shaping, and then walk out 7, 8. So you get to walk out with the double rhythm or triple rhythm, you decide. From here we did an underarm, 1, 2, 3 leaders, count 4. I stepped into the follower, raising my left hand, placing it on my shoulder for 4. I looked at the follower to say, I kind of know what I'm doing, right? This also keeps me closer. From here, I'm going to release my left hand, open up my right shoulder as I turn. Followers are doing a tap and tap to the side for 5 and 6. We did a sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and connect on the shoulder for 4, release 5 and 6. So the underarm this way goes 1, 2, we step into the 4, bring the hand to the shoulder, 5 and 6, we walk 1, 2, 3, connect to the shoulder, 5 and 6, and you were done. Good job.